Basi iban sa aton diri, mga utod, nagapanumdum kita, kag napatian nyo man ni siguro kapila naman, nga just because we are attending here Sunday services every week, or you belong to a very good denomination, or you belong to an evangelical church, does not mean that you are already saved, or ang salvation mo sigurado na. You have to make sure of your salvation. Hambali tupad mo, siguraduha kaluwasan mo. Kibisan si Jesus mismo naghambal sa Matthew 7:21, not everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven, but only the one who does the will of my Father who is in heaven. Can you hear an amen? Not everyone. Ang prayer ko, kag prayer sa mga leaders na to diri, that every one of us here, nga nagatawag kay Lord, nagakanta kay Lord, makapalangit gid. Pero dapat tsakto ang atong tigipusoon, kag dapat nagasunod kita sa pulong sang Ginoo. Matthew 7:24, therefore everyone who hears these words of mine and puts them into practice is like a wise man who built his house on the rock. Say this to me, put into practice. Everything that has been taught here must be put into practice. Everything that you learn during your devotional time, if you are doing your devotional time, must be put into practice. Everything you discuss in your cell groups must be put into practice. Hindi nga pamati na lang pero wala sang putting into practice. Ephesians chapter 2 verses 8 to 9, for it is by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not for yourselves, it is the gift of God, not by works, so that no one can boast. We put into practice not to be saved, but we put into practice because we are saved. Our salvation must produce putting into practice. Our salvation must produce obedience. Can you hear an amen? Product na lang na iya. Kagdra mo mapamatudan nga ang isa katawo, ang isa ka-saved nga person is kung ano ang ginaobra niya if he or she is putting into practice the teachings of Christ. Can you hear an amen? James chapter 2 verse 17, in the same way faith by itself, if it is not accompanied by action, is dead. And Jesus Christ said, John 14:15, if you love me, keep my commands. Keep, meaning to say, follow His commands. Amen. Amen. Ang balito pa mo, mag-follow gid kita.